Now here we can add one more functionality for login and logout. Okay, so but before that, let's log in once. So here the layout is not looking good. Okay, so we can ask ChatGPT to make it better, like in form of cards with more information, like check-in and check-out date. Okay, so here I've asked ChatGPT create cards for each record in examine, and we need check-in and check-out date also. So mention card view also. Card view is a widget. Okay, so it have provided us the card view. Better. Now we can copy it and paste it to the item view. Now when we launch it, here we need to add more information also in adapter. So here we are holding all the data of list. Okay, so here we have some more items here, like check-in and check-out date. Copy the check-in date id, create a variable for it, and add its data, check-in date. Similarly for checkout date, text view checkout. Okay, copy it and put the same value here, checkout date, and run it. So here it's looking better now. There are cards for every record. A card is mentioned with proper boundaries. Okay, now we can provide some credential, some login and logout functionality also, because every time we are coming to login screen. Okay, so here it's inside login activity. We need to save the information on click of button login. Okay, so how to save the information? So we need to save email and password. Okay, so here we will ask ChatGPT about that. Save email and password to shared preferences. Basically shared preferences is a local small database on Android, where we can save a small amount of data. Okay, on click of login button, so it will provide us code and we have to put it inside when login successfully done. Okay, so copy the method first and here, so email and password will be saved. Now context, so let's here we will pass the admin activity context. Yeah, okay, so similarly create a logout on admin dashboard and so here we are telling ChatGPT that we are asking ChatGPT that we need a button on admin dashboard and provide a functionality to remove on click of logout button the uh, local data will be removed and it will ask again for login. Okay, so here below the recycler view we will put it below recycler view. All right, no, so it will be on the bottom of the screen. Okay, to make it on center, let's make it match parent. Right, now here we can copy the code and it will be on dashboard. Okay, now logout function. Okay, format the code by pressing Ctrl Alt and L. Okay, here we have to open the admin login main activity. Okay, okay, so now here when the user will come again and again from main activity, we have to pass a check that if the user is already logged in, then user will on click of admin login, it should open the admin dashboard. Okay, so we will ask ChatGPT, copy the code and ask ChatGPT how to check login here. Alright, now you can copy it and simply paste it here. Now we can remove because okay, we can remove it and I think here the bracket is required. Okay, so this is a method where we can check for if user is logged in or not. Okay, here it will be admin dashboard. All right, now run it and it should work perfectly. Okay, now when we go back and when we try again, it will not ask for login again and again. Okay, this way, and it's prompting a message also, user is already logged in. Okay, when we click on logout button, now when we click on login, it's sending us to login screen. Okay, here one more functionality we needed when we are entering. Yeah, okay, it's working perfectly fine. Yeah, that's it for now. We will add some more functionality on this app in next video.